Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update applications on your XIAOMI Mi TV Box 3S. First of all, if you see an application that has a cloud icon beneath the apps icon, that means that this application is in need of updating or uploading basically to your TV. And if you want to update just one application that needs an update, then just select this application's icon. But if you want to update a list of applications on your TV or all applications, we're gonna have to go to the quick settings by navigating to the gear icon, then select the gear icon once again to open all settings list, then scroll down to apps. Let's go to apps, and then let's scroll down to manage updates, and then here select see available updates. Go to updates, and now here select update all if you want to update all of them, or just select a specific application and install an update for it. And after a moment, once all the updates are finished, all the software, including applications on this TV, will be updated. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.